So I hope you all enjoyed that look around at the Middlewich show. It was a fantastic day. Over 500 birds entered. That's from different hard bills, a massive variety of stunning soft bills, and a good cohort of Norwich canaries as well. And I know it's the first time they've held the show in 4 or 5 years now, so it's great to see another specialist show back on the bird keeping calendar for us, of course. And then that was supported by people from all over Britain. We got guys come down from Scotland, a couple of people up from the south coast. The Dagenham lads were there, of course, as they always have been across the specialist shows this past year, and a couple of people from in Wales as well. So great to see such a large number of people coming across the UK for this show. So I had a bit of feedback across the shows about different things we can improve about these episodes when we do go to shows, and one thing that was mentioned was spending a bit more time on the birds that have won big specialist awards, like the Best in Show, the Best Mule Hybrid, Best Mini Mule, anything like that. So hopefully that's come across in the video, and if there's anything that you'd like to see that maybe I don't include in these show tour videos, then make sure to let me know in the comments below so I can improve these videos to make it better for all of you. So how did I get on then? Well, I took a show team of 8 birds. I took 4 hardbills and 4 mules and hybrids. I came away with best flighted novice hardbill with a lesser redpoll hen, and I came away with best miniature mule across the whole show. That was competing with novice and champions, and that was a clear goldfinch mule that I took out for the first time last show, and it's gone and won this show. So I'm really pleased with that. Sadly, my best greenfinch when I went into the show hall had bathed, so I don't know if he'd done that for the judges, but oh well, it doesn't matter. He'll be out on the show bench, I'm sure, for us next year. But anyway, everyone, if you've enjoyed it today and you'd like to see more, then please make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more future content. Smash a like on it, and make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes footage of all of our birds. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.